Oh my bird, momager got me a brand new toy. I can't wait to find out what it is.
Woo!
It's a barrel of monkeys!
Oh, we want our barrel of monkeys. But yeah, so there we go. We got a barrel of monkeys. Oh, I actually need to open this, buddy. Can I go open the plastic?
Hurry up, hooman. I need that toy. It's not gonna play by itself. Oops.
There we go. Brand new toy. Do you want a barrel of? Woo-hoo. Oh, that's right. That was a big toss, but I see you opened the barrel. Oh, we got a plastic bag inside. And some instructions. You want to look at the instructions? While I open the plastic bag. Oh yeah, you're gonna learn all about how to play with these, okay, Max? Okay, you chewed that up. Did you get all? Did you read the other side of that? And there we go, folks. We got a barrel of monkeys. Sound kind of musical. There's a monkey. There. Let's go fishing with the monkey. Here we go. We got our monkeys. What happens? You see Mr. Monkey? Here's a monkey. Here's a monkey. See the monkeys? They're inside.